Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel! For today's video guys, I'm going to do unboxing because I received a new package today. This is two packages that I received today. So as usual, let's check it together and let's check it out if there is no damage on those items that I ordered from the online store. So let's open it first. This is the first item. So it is quite heavy. So it comes from China. So let's open it now and see if what it looks like. It is quite hard to open it. Maybe I really need to destroy the packaging. It's hard to open it. My gosh. I don't want to use my teeth anymore because my teeth is very sensitive. Can you help me open it? Oh my gosh. So, here is the first item.
Wow!
It's as you can see, it's a men's shoes. This is not for me. So, this is what it looks like. So this shoes is not for me. I will give it to my father because he don't have shoes. He only use slippers all the time. So I thought in buying shoes for him. So here is the shoes. So let's open the second package that I received. So it comes from China as well. So let's open it. It's only a small packaging. So, my gosh, what is this? Where is this guy? Oh my gosh. So this is the first item. Other items, it's a balloon. So I order balloon from China. There's a lot of balloon who is sold and mall here, but I am so weird. I ordered balloon because it's my birthday next month.
Wow!
So the balloon will be my preparation and I will put it in the table and it will be eaten by my visitors. I am just kidding. Sorry, the balloon looks like. Oh my gosh. I just hope that there is no damage on it. I hope that there is no hole so that if ever I put air on the balloon, it will form and it's natural form and it's beautiful shape. There's the other balloon. It's a color blue balloon. It's all the items that I received today. So there's a woman who is selling Pinay pie. It's a, what call that in English? It's a banana fritter. I am not sure. So I bought 2 pieces of it. So I'm going to eat this now because it's snack time here. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And after I eat this, I'm going to cook food for dinner. It's a banana that cooked with flour. So it is still hot. It's delicious. Here it is. So there's a sugar on it, as you can see. It's sweet. So that's all for today's video, guys. I finished the 2 banana. It's so delicious. So I hope you like this video, and I hope that you don't get bored watching me. So thank you so much for watching. Until my next video. Bye.
Big